Your baby has turned 1 and you've had the baby kits, but you're wondering, should I continue with the 1-year-old kits? So, because it seems like everything is a toy at this age. The Tupperware drawer, they're loving to unpack things, they're exploring with their senses, they're really on the go. Yet, why are they doing these things? What development windows are opening and closing during this really important toddler year? Why are they hungry to unpack the Tupperware drawer? Why are they dissecting my Q-tips container? And really, what is happening with their fine motor development and their cognitive development that can be supported by just the right tools, that are just the right challenge for these skills that are starting to emerge during this first year of toddlerhood? So we offer the right tools, the right information, so that you can really feel connected and know confidently that you're meeting your baby's needs for learning during this really important age.